Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Very proud and excited to have Jagdeep with me today. Very first time you have attended the exam and you have scored 8 each, overall score of 86, 90 in writing, 90 speaking, 85 in reading and 79 in listening. A great score. The very first thing, it's very rare for the first time test taker to get 8 each because normally students go for the exam without preparing to see where they stand. They want to see that yes, will I get 6 each or 7 each, and then I'll prepare accordingly. You prepared properly before going for the very first attempt and you have smashed it 8 each in the very first attempt. Jagdeep, congratulations, well done. What do you think is the most important factor for this exam? What things or what parameters are important? What factors are important which are very crucial to score 8 each in the very first attempt?
Hi everybody. Even though you might have a good knowledge of English language, but the guidance and the understanding of the format is really important. Me at Language Academy got all that. I got the good guidance of the teachers, and after practice I was able to follow the format. So I had a good idea before I went to the exam. I had good idea of what was waiting for me.
That's right guys. So it's very important you understand the exam pattern, especially format, that what type of questions you will get and what will be the sequence of the questions, because if you go without preparing for it, you will be kind of surprised that what I have to do in this particular task. But if you prepare properly and you are aware that yes, I have to do this in this particular task, you will be able to nail your exam like he did. Let's talk about your writing. Perfect 90 in writing, you can't really get more than that. What is the secret for 90 in writing?
I had good practice writing, so I would read certain newspapers, and after I came here, Vishal told me the mistakes I was making. I rectified on them, and so I think over time with practice I was able to get that 90.
That's right guys. So it's very important to get proper feedback on what mistakes you are doing, because sometimes what happens is we are following a particular template or something and we think that we are doing everything right, but still we are not getting the score. Now there are a lot of mistakes you are making. You need to get proper feedback, proper guidance that these are the areas you are weak in, this is the improvement you need, and then you have to make the following improvement and then go for the exam and crack like him 90 in writing. You took a number of mock tests before you went for your exam, and I remember one day the very first time you were taking the mock test, he left the mock test halfway and he told that I can't do this, I can't do this. But again, how important were mock tests? What do you think? How mock tests help you to get 8 each in PT and why they are important?
Yeah, mock tests are like really important because they give you an idea of the real exam. So once you have done good 4 or 5 mock tests, you have an idea of what is coming to you in the exam. So I went through the mock test, even though the first was not the success, but over time after some practice I knew what the format was, so I could do things in time. So that's how I was able to get 9.
That's right guys. So very important that you know how much time you have to spend on each particular task, because you have limited time in PT, and if you spend a lot of time questions which are not very important, you may struggle to finish off your tasks which are very important, and you might miss out on your score. So very important you take 3, 4, 5 mock tests like he did and then go for your exam. Jagdeep, let's wrap it off. Any final piece of advice for students who are preparing for the exam? What things should they consider before they go for their attempt?
I think practice is very important, and listening to the advice of your teachers, following the format is really important. So after good practice, I think everyone can be able to get their dream score.
That's right guys. Practice in PT is very important, because it's not purely based on your English skills, it's how you are able to convince the computer that yes, I am doing each and everything right. So use proper material templates and then practice properly, get proper feedback from your teachers, and you will be able to nail your exam like he did. Once again, congratulations Jagdeep, well done. And that's it from this video guys. We'll be very back soon with another video. Thanks guys.
Thank